Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. So let's get started. So to buy a Bitcoin on MoonPay, what you can do is just simply open up your MoonPay application. So after opening up your MoonPay application now, in order to buy Bitcoin, what you can do is just scroll down and come up to your popular token section, and in that you can find this following option, which is Bitcoin. So just tap on Bitcoin, and after tapping on Bitcoin, what you can do is just buy a Bitcoin by tapping on buy Bitcoin, which is on the bottom of your screen. So just tap on it, and now in order to buy a Bitcoin, what you can do is just select an amount. So you can buy a worth of $200, $300, 500 and $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, or you can manually enter the amount, for example 250. So you can buy Bitcoin in this way, or you can also buy Bitcoin in BTC. So to buy Bitcoin in BTC, what you can do is just tap on the arrow which is beside that amount. So you can find this small upwards and downwards arrow. Just tap on it. So after tapping on that option, now you can buy Bitcoin in BTC. So if you want to buy that, what you have to do is just enter the amount in BTC. So the minimum you can buy in BTC is 0.0076. So you have to enter more than 0.0076. If you enter below than 0.0076, it will not allow you to buy Bitcoin. So here you can see it is saying the minimum amount you can buy is 0.0075 BTC. So it should be more than 0.0075 BTC. After entering this value, now you can just tap on continue, and then you can buy Bitcoin. So to buy Bitcoin, what you have to do is just select a wallet. So you already have a MoonPay wallet, you can select that, or you can add some other wallet if you like. So I'll just select this wallet, and now what I can do is just tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, here you can see the worth of Bitcoin that I'm buying. So for 0.008 BTC, it will cost me 53.76 euros. So what I can do is just simply tap on continue. And now after tapping on continue, now what I can do is just add a payment method. So I can add bank transfer, or I can also add my debit card. So select any one of these options. So after selecting the debit card option, what you can do is just simply enter your card number, your expire date and your CVC. After entering all those details, what you can do is just tap on continue, and you will buy a Bitcoin in your account. But sometimes you might have to verify your account. So to verify your account, what you can do is just simply enter the email address that you have created your MoonPay account with. After entering that email address, just tap on continue, and after tapping on continue, you will receive a 6-digit code in your email address. So what you can do is just simply open up your email address and then copy the 6-digit code that you have received, and then paste that 6-digit code over here. And after pasting it, now you can continue with your process. So you have just added a debit card, but if you would like to choose a bank transfer, what you can do is you can also tap on it. So now you can enter your iBank number, and after entering your iBank number, you just have to tap on continue and then buy your BTC. So these were the two ways how you can buy BTC in MoonPay. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.